of WindWaker HD and Sound of X Part 2! Let's get straight into it. Ship! Hey guys, so apparently I have to go up there on the forest to save this random girl that I've never met before. But I need to go learn some swordplay, which in last part, if you haven't seen it, go check it out. Grandma told me about a guy named Orca. Fuego! Target and talk to me, try it! That's correct, you're a smart one! You, my friend, have just targeted me. Of course, even if there isn't any around, you can still face forward, you know. It's quite handy indeed. There are a myriad of other ways to target, so sorry, I suck at dialogue. Please proceed. Okay, alright. I'm gonna go talk to your brother now, or whoever you call him. Okay, so apparently I have to go save this girl who's in the forest, and, yeah, I have never touched a sword in my life, so this guy is gonna help me. Oh, what is the matter, Fuego? You have an urgent look about you. Has something happened? Yes, there's a girl in the dark woods, and I need you to teach me about swords, or something. Oh, whatever it is. From the look in your face, I suspect it is no laughing matter. What say you, Fuego? Ah, have you come for some serious instruction in the way of the sword? Yes, sir! Ching chong wong. Hey! Very good. Your first lesson shall be the horizontal slice. Good. Keep coming at me until you hear me say, very good.
Ah, to slap the shit out you.
Very good. Next is the vertical slice. Keep swinging! Very good. Next is the thrust. Target and thrust your sword. Very good. Keep thrusting. Next is the spin attack. Build up your strength and then release it. Very good. More. Keep it up. Next is harder. This is a parry attack. The moment you see me swing, perform a defensive strike. Very good. Again. Yeah, watch this. You got nothing on me, old man. Very good. Now finally, the jump attack. Come at me once more. Oh, that was a fine display. And yet, I sense a certain anxiousness in the sword you hold, an eagerness that goes far beyond the mere desire to be wielded on the fields of battle. I do not know what has happened, but I have faith in you. Somehow, I doubt you will misuse that sword. Old man, I literally told you what I have to do. Whatever. You may have it, Fuego. I give it freely. Take the blade with you. Wow! You accepted the hero sword. Use it wisely and carefully. You don't want to let down the kind old man who has entrusted it to you. Since the olden days, this sword has been used to fend off evil. Its blade is infused with the desire to become strong and righteous. Be strong, Fuego. Thanks, old man. Thanks, old man. Guys, I'm literally in the middle of recording right now. What the heck is this face? Now that I got the sword, let's head out.
See the light in the sky and the sea, it calls me, and no one knows before it goes.
Alright, I made it. All we gotta do is cross this scary bridge. Okay. Alright. Here we go. Let's do this. But before we continue on part 2 with WindWaker HD with sound effects, blah blah blah, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. What? Oh! It's the girl! Alright, let's go. Ooh, a rupee! Yay! Whoa! What was that? Oh, okay.
How dare you target me?
What do you want?
You're not even worth my time.
Okay. Whew. Okay. Oh, okay. Sheesh. Alright. Okay, whew. Alright. Let's go here. Alright. Whee! What the? Oh!
I won't let you get away with your life.
Spin attack! Whew, that was close. Let go of me! Stop it! You dumb brat! Oh, what the? Ouch! Oh my gosh! Okay, hang on, don't say... Whoa, what's with that getup? Well, whatever. So, where am I? Oh, that's right. That giant bird came and... Miss Tetra! Oh, thank goodness you're safe. When I saw you get dropped on the summit, I thought for sure you'd... Summit? So that bird dropped me on top of a mountain? So that's why I thought the branch... Okay, you know what? That wasn't nice of it. Okay, well, don't just stand there. Let's go. Time to repay our debt to that bird in full. But miss, what about this boy? Don't worry about him. Come on. Hey, wait a minute. Don't leave me out here in the scary woods. I almost lost my way. Hi, big brother! Grandma's been worried about you. Ariel, it's good to see you. Hang on, don't cross the bridge yet. Wait, Ariel.
Hey, there's that girl.
Ariel,
Let's snatch her up and bring her to the boss.
Hey, Ariel, wait! Ariel! Ah! Ariel! Big brother!
You give me my sister back right now!
What the? Let go of me, you big... stupid kid! Get a hold of yourself, she's gone! There's nothing you can do! I want to board your crew. What? You want to come with us on our ship? Yes, Queen. Do you understand what you're asking? We're pirates, you know, Pirates, the terror of the seas. What do we get out of bringing some helpless little kid along with us? I'll tell you what we get, a headache! I know how you must feel with your sister having been kidnapped and all, but that doesn't really have anything to do with us. Now does it? And how do you figure that?
Oh there! Just who are you? Where do you get off butting in on someone else's conversation?
Please, all I mean to say is that if you big bad pirates hadn't come to this quiet little island, that poor girl wouldn't have been snatched away by that bird. And just what do you mean by that? Just be quiet for a moment and I'll tell you. Now, as my work entails delivering letters, I spend much of my time traveling amongst the many different islands. As a result, I hear many things. Haven't any of you heard a word that young girls have been getting kidnapped lately from all regions of the Great Sea? No matter whether you've heard it or not, that seems to be the case. Young girls with long ears like yours have been getting kidnapped, never to be seen again. Unless my eyes fail me, the young girl who was just kidnapped from this island also has long ears, does she not? Much like you do, Miss Fearsome Pirate. My point is that the bird mistook you for that girl, and that's why she was taken. I don't know anymore. Anyways, and correct me if I'm wrong, I believe it was young Fuego who here saved you from the monsters in the forest, wasn't it? Is this true? Yes, Queen. Oh, and while I'm at it, I may as well tell you that the bird who kidnapped both you and Fuego's sister has made its foul nest to the north on the heights of the Forsaken Fortress. The Forsaken Fortress? Isn't that the place where... So, what are you going to do? Under the circumstances, I don't think it would be unreasonable for you to give Fuego a little help now, would it? I don't need you to tell me that. Even if I were to consider it, lately I've heard nothing but evil rumors about this Forsaken Fortress. You can't possibly mean to go there with nothing but that cheap little sword. That's not brave. It's stupid. I mean, come on, even a simple little island like this has to have something you can use as a shield. You know, something to protect yourself with. Anything? Tell you what, if you come back with a little something like that, we'll let you stow away on our ship. Oh yeah, one more thing. Once we leave, you won't be coming back for a while, so you better go say goodbye to your family while you have the chance. I don't want you getting all weepy-eyed and homesick on me. Sheesh, she's a little bunch. Alright, well, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna end the video here, you know? It's Tetra, you know, and Goofball, and, you know, weird bird brains over here. Yeah, take care and peace. Yeah, that bird is so weird, you know what I mean?